There are several ways to make money on YouTube. Some of these ways include advertising revenue. You can monetize your videos by allowing ads to play before, during, or after your videos. YouTube will pay you a percentage of advertising revenue generated by your videos. The second one is sponsorships and brand deals. Companies may approach you to create sponsored content featuring their products or services. You can negotiate a fee for this type of collaboration. The third one is merchandise. You can create and sell your own merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or any other items that may feature your brand or your logo. The fourth one is super chat and super stickers. These features allow viewers to make a donation to you during a live stream in exchange for a shoutout or other perks. The last one but not least is affiliate marketing. You can promote your products or services through affiliate links in your videos or earn a commission for any sales made through those links. Now remember, to be eligible for monetization on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Additionally, you need to follow YouTube's community guidelines and terms of services. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to turn your notification bell to be alerted every time we upload. And please subscribe. Bye!